Good morning to all the students. Welcome to Gyan Jyoti Vidyalaya online classes. Class 9, chapter 9 from the book Beehives, poems name is The Snake Tribe. About the snake, there are many legends, many stories. If we elaborate start the endless subject. But according to this poem, what the poet says, only that much and that we are going to discuss. Snake is the symbol of fear, yeah, and different religion, Hindu, they believe about the different faith, and some people fear, some people avoid. Sometimes it's poisonous snake. Some are venomous and non-venomous. Some are risky. So, even a small child, whenever they see a snake, they skip, they run away. Especially they fear a lot because it's a very furious animal. Most of us think of snakes as fearsome symbols of death. Yeah, snake means the cause of death. Some are very dangerous. Some are huge in size, small in size, different types of snakes. So sometimes as we fear and we go away and we try to aware of the snake, but in this point is something different. The snake is a victim. Yeah. Sometimes we kill snake and a snake attacks. People fear, people run away of the danger of snake. But in this poem, W.W.E. Ross, the poet, in his poem, he describes of the snakes, this type of bad using or misbehaving of the snake. And actually that is not good to kill or to the snake, and we should save our wild animals. Yeah. So let's start the snake. What happened? The snake trying. And sometimes we try to escape. Here snake trying to escape. What? The pursuing stick. Oh, that means snake is in danger. Snake running away for the danger of his attack. The snake is going away from this place. Yeah? Why the snake is going away? Because someone is on his stick on his hand and rushing and chasing or pursuing the snake. Okay? Pursuing stick with sudden curving, the thin, long body, sudden curving. Snake is very thin size. Snake is not so fat. And that's why the snake's body is very thin, yeah, very slim. The snake has no legs and it is very thin one, and he can go away very soon. It's okay? With long, let's see, with sudden curving. Curving not straight. Curve is the something bent, something which goes zigzag or something not straight. The snake goes like that. It's clear? Curving of thick, thin, long body. Yeah, it's a long body of snake. Like sometimes as king cobra and red snake and many snakes you have seen, and very bigger and longer in size. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Poet positively see this snake. What's in the eye of the poet, the snake looks beautiful. How beautiful. The poet described that snake is a beautiful creature. And graceful. Graceful means more attractive shape. More attractive shape. Fine looking. Snake is fine looking. Sometimes we say peacock is beautiful. Peacock is fine looking. But here poet says the snake is beautiful. Snake is fine looking, which is more lovable. You know, graceful means जो सुंदर दिखता है, जिसके पास हमारा ज़्यादा प्यार रहता है, बहुत ही उसको अट्रैक्शन रहता है. तो यहाँ पर the poet mean to say that it looks very beautiful, okay, and graceful are his shapes, good looking, and sometimes good looking person is more attracted and more lovable. जो ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखते हैं, शायद ऐसे बच्चों को ही कोई भी ज़्यादा उसको ज़्यादा गोद में लेते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा लाइक करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर कहानी ऐसा ही है. The poet mean to say, yeah, and he glides through the waterway. Glides means just just go away in very smooth way, yeah, through the waterway. पानी में तैरते हुए क्या करता है, वो भगता है. How snake escapes? Snake may go in the waterway, maybe go sometime in land way. Snake may go in a different way. Okay, he glides through the waterway from the stroke. Yeah, stroke means strike. It's the past tense stroke. कोई तो छड़ी से मारे या कोई पत्थर मारे कि वो जान बचाने के लिए, जान सबको प्यारी है, कोई भी जिसको छेड़खानी करेंगे. They are innocent, they cannot come to fight, they sometimes they run away, they are very furious animal. Sometimes the animal they are very fearful, sometimes snake or also human being. That's why they live in the isolated, lonely places and the places where the no human being can come. That's why they live in this place. They always come hide themselves from the presence of the human being. Okay. So, what poet says here? Someone suppose chairs and punish and kill the snake. The poet mean to say here, oh, let him go. Let him go means let him live. You don't harm this snake. You don't kill this snake. You save the life of the snake. Okay? And over the water, if the snake is going, don't throw the stone. Don't attack. Don't harm. Don't disturb this. But sometimes we see, सपोज कोई घर में एक सांप निकला, छड़ी लेके मारना शुरू करता है. But have you seen snake rescuer? They don't kill the snake. They have the expert in catching the snake. They have a bag, I have seen. They have a stick. They hold the snake, they very carefully, and then pack it and go and get the snake out to a very lonely and very jungle area. And instead of killing, they leave this snake in different place, make the snake survive or live in good place. Okay, but our tendency, many people think that snake is dangerous, we should kill and attack. It is their motivation, their thinking. Let's see. But the poet says, let him go over the water. It reads to hide. You don't hurt the snake. Instead of killing or instead of attacking the snake, let him go to its different place. Okay, where? To the water, over the water, in the reeds to hide. Reeds means in the water, then the reeds area, small plants, where for the snake, it is easy to hide, easy to escape the danger. Allow the snake to go. It's okay. The reeds to hide without hurt. Poet thinks very nice. Poet think about this snake is very nice. But sometimes we are cruel. We are cruel to kill the snake unnecessarily without any reason. Yeah, it is not good. It's okay. So here, small and green, he is harmless even to child. Even to children. Whatever snakes, two types. Some are bigger and some are black and yellowish color, like king cobra, and they are very furious. They are very strong and very powerful. They are dangerous for catch and to go. But here the snake, some are non-venomous, some are not poisonous. That is not harmful. So unnecessarily it is not good for us to kill that type of snake. Small and green is harmless. What type of snake is harmless? छोटा सा और ग्रीन कलर का जो सांप है वो किसी को कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ता है. Is harmless even to children. Yes, even to children means even the children it doesn't harm. It is just a water snake and that is not dangerous. Just like जो बारिश के सीजन में बहुत सारे सांप जो रोड में बारिश में घूमते हैं, तो उस टाइप के जो छोटे छोटे सांप हैं वो कुछ नुकसान नहीं करते हैं, छोटे बच्चों को कुछ नहीं करते हैं. तो ऐसे वो सांप को मारना और फेंक देना ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. लेट्स सी. Along the sand, wow, the snake goes away. Along the snake, yeah, lay until observed and chased away. Now, Along the sand means the snake try to escape, try to see that my killer, the person who is killing me, whether it's coming or not. Yeah, along the sand, he lay until observed. The snake also observed. Snake has a good eyesight. Yeah, though snake has no ears to listen, but snake can feel. The snake can see, and snake is very clever. Let's see. And he lay until observed. What? And chased away. Yeah, chased away means if it is followed and give and run away, run towards the snake, then snake goes away. Okay. And now, if anyone goes to chase, if anyone goes to harm, if anyone goes to snatch, if anyone goes to kill, then what happens to the snake? And now he vanishes. Vanishes means hides. No more to be seen in this front. No more to be seen in this scenery. Snake is out of the platform, out of the people's presence. It goes away. He vanishes in the ripple. Ripple means a small wave on the surface of water. पानी का जो लहर है, जो पानी जब थोड़ा बहुत हलचल होता है तो उठता है, that is called vanishes in the ripples means the water which is sinking and waving in the surface of water among the green slim reeds. Green color, slim is not thick, slim patla. Reeds means small plants with a hollow pipe inside it. This type of reeds, the snake lives. The poet gives in this poem we saw the message to every one of you. We should not harm this type of innocent snakes. We should have sympathy, same feeling as we think about each other. We should think about the eco-friendly, system, balance of nature. The snakes are not harmful if you don't hurt them. They also maintain ecosystem and chain system. So as those who are environmentalists, those who know the nature well, they don't kill unnecessarily, they protect. The poet means to say in this point that you leave them, let him go. That's why poet say, let him go kill the snake. Yes, my dear student, at the conclusion of this poem, I suggest to you, every one of you, to think before you act. You have a good thinking, good understanding. You may well treat of these things. And the poem, suppose the snake is huge size, you are unable to catch, you may call the snake rescuer who can catch the snake well, who can deal with the snake well. And don't play with the snake, it's risky. Some snakes are very poisonous, it may kill your life. You have to be very careful and you have to be very watchful. Then you can save your life also. That is your wise decision and a wise use of your brain. And I hope this poem may inspire you. And at the conclusion of this poem, I would like to say, have a good day and study the lesson again, learn this poem, though it is a short poem. It's not so lengthy, so you can learn easily and you can understand very well. That's all why you have to practice the exercise and answer question well. And I hope you will be successful in your subject and have a good day and study well. Meet you once again in the next period. Till that time, have a good day and good time to see you. Goodbye and bye. So student, I would like to say and one of the message that in the school given all the PDF and exercise, all the chapters you have to do. That in this time of the coronavirus, the school is not open. You are at the home. So best use of your time. Don't waste your time, because if school opens and you will not study well, then also it is harmful. and I suggest to every one of you to every day practice the study. Then you will improve your quality and standard because it is daily practice. So to be a good student, my suggestion to every one of you, read, study the book every day, and we'll meet if the school reopens. Then we have the examination and the study and whatever future in the God's hand. And if you have the good time comes, then definitely we will see you. And whatever the lesson I have taught you in this online, may revise, may ask you question, or anyway we have to prepare for the examinations. So till that time, I like to say that enjoy life, also enjoy your study. Okay, bye bye.